Hello, welcome back. Now let's look at highest common factor of numbers, how to work it out. We normally call it HCF. Highest common factor, or HCF, stands for highest common factor. What does it mean? It means the biggest number that divides into a given numbers. So highest common factor, that's the simplest definition, biggest number that divides into given numbers. So for example, highest common factor of 20 and 8 is 4. And highest common factor of 9 and 27 is 9. So we're going to use list of factors to help us understand how to find highest common factor of two given numbers. So in an example 1, we want to find out the highest common factor of 40 and 24. That means what is the biggest number possible that can go equally into 24 and 40. So you start by listing your factor pairs of 40 and list your factor pairs of 24 and list your answers as we did in previous videos. So I suggest you take a paper and do it yourself. So once you've done your listing of factors, the factors for 40 in ascending order will be 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. You do the same for 24. Listen your answers in ascending order will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Then you realize that from these two lists we have common numbers. 1 is common, as you can see, 2, 4, 8. But out of all these common, we are looking for the highest, the biggest of them all. That's what we call highest common factor. Of all the common factors, which one is biggest? So we can say that 8 is the biggest of them all, and therefore highest common factor of 40 and 24 is 8. So what that means is that 8 is the biggest number possible that divides equally into 40 and 24. Now pause the video and see if you can do the second one. HCF of 16 and 48. Okay, let's check the answers. So what will be your factors of 16 in ascending order using factor pairs? It's 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. What about 48? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. Now if you check all the common factors, what is the biggest of them all? If you check, you realize that 16 among all the common factors is the biggest of them all, and therefore his CF is 16. And what does it mean? It means 16 is the biggest number that divides into 16 and 48, leaving no remainder. In our next example, we'll be talking about what about if you have three numbers.